Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make healthy and delicious banana dates milkshake recipe in just 5 minutes. Looking for a quick, healthy and tasty drink? Try this banana dates milkshake made with just few ingredients. It is naturally sweet, packed with energy and perfect for kids, fitness lovers and anyone looking for a nutritious drink option. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making banana dates milkshake recipe: banana, peated dates, almonds, cashew nuts, boiled milk, sugar, vanilla essence, white chocolate, black chocolate, cherry, cardamom powder and honey. Preparation method: take a blender and add the chopped banana slices and then add the peated dates. Then add 6 number of finely chopped almonds and then add 6 number of finely chopped cashew nuts and add 2 teaspoon of honey. And then add 3 teaspoon of sugar and add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and add 250 ml of boiled milk. Then blend them finely and transfer the banana dates milkshake into a serving glass. And garnish with black chocolates, white chocolate and chopped nuts and cherry. Banana dates milkshake is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.